Journalists with Mediazona and BBC Russian, identifying Russia's slain troops through public records, have confirmed the deadliest 2 weeks for Vladimir Putin's invasion of Ukraine. The investigators have established the identities of 16,774 service members. Between February 24th and March 10th, another 1,638 names have been added to the list, many of them Wagner Group mercenaries. The latest names confirm the cost of Russia's human wave assaults, led by the Wagner Group, trying to overrun the city of Bakhmut in the Donetsk region in eastern Ukraine. The mercenaries hold the eastern part of Bakhmut. However, Ukrainian forces continue to control the western part and have blown up bridges over the Bakhmuta River, which runs through open ground in the center of the city. That has made the area a killing zone if Wagner attempts a further advance. The US-based Institute for the Study of War assessed Thursday that Wagner has likely paused operations, possibly awaiting reinforcement by Russian conventional forces. There were no confirmed Russian gains on Saturday. Wagner Group head Yevgeny Prigozhin said on Friday that the mercenaries have opened recruitment centers in 42 Russian cities to replenish their ranks. The Mediazona BBC investigation established that 1,849 pardoned convicted, recruited by Prigozhin, have been killed. Another 1,450 are men swept up in Putin's mass mobilization last September. Mediazona emphasizes that the actual number of slain is far higher, given that only public sources have been used and fatalities are often not reported. On Saturday, Ukraine's military updated the total of liquidated Russian soldiers to more than 158,000. Russia's defense ministry has only reported losses on 3 occasions, most recently in September when they said 5,937 troops had been killed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.